Oh, it's a car.
It's a car for me. A taxi. Oh, it's a woman.
Please eat too.
They're cars. It's a red car. Oh, motorbike.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
I want to know it. A car standing.
Car.
Oh, look.
It's a tree. Me and Lucy are green. Amber is blue. She got the carrier bag. We have bags.
And we take the bus in Bubblyco. And we don't use cars.
Unlike Lucy, who is blue.
I'm that bus is stalking us. See the people.
Mackie bees.
A bus.
A bus. Oh, a bus. Can think about it, you know, McDonald's. Can think about I forgot the words.
I was still a minute more.
Swine flu.
If you've got swine flu, you look like a pig. People with swine flu look like pigs and they grow snout.
Oink oink.
Swine flu? You look like a pig.
I'm not videoing.
No! Vagina, Amber. It's my eye.
It's Amber's eye.
L-I, rule.
Hello, eye.
My socks, rule. My shoe.
My shoe rules.
My shoe sucks. My shoe rules raining. Amber, who's there? We should video it.
Oh, like who?
Someone from that bench. The bench of the Bacchanal.
Next stop, Glaston Road.
Next stop.
Oh, it's Ranston, not Glaston.
Road, did it say?
It said Ranston and I thought it said Glaston.
Mummy! I love boys.
Give me love some money. Dot.
Speaking of gay, but I do. But we are in.
You love foot.
I love my foot.
Amber loves her mum.
I'm gay.
Amber's gay. Turn.
I'm bi.
And I'm lesbian.
No.
Oh, Lucy.
Ooh la la.
Oh la la.